Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Emanes here, and I'm here with another video on TOMARKET. So TOMARKET, the allocation has been given out and everything has been done. Of course, I did my price prediction on TOMARKET in the last video. I will link it up at the top right here. So going straight to the point with TOMARKET, in this video my aim is to actually teach you guys how to sell off your TOMARKET allocation. So before that, kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, drop a comment in the comment section, and also you can join our WhatsApp group chat where we discuss everything crypto. Firstly, let me go to my withdrawal history. If I go to my withdrawal history, you can see that I have a pending withdrawal of about 789,000 TOMA, of which they are sending 789,000. Of course, they will take their charge and send it to my, I claimed on chain, of course, and they will send it to my wallet. So let me just go to the Bitget wallet to show you guys how to sell your TOMA allocation. So this is my Bitget Lite wallet. Of course, it's loading. As I shared in my previous video, you would actually need APT, which is Aptos, as gas fee to swap your TOMA once the allocation comes in. For now, the allocation hasn't dropped yet. As you can see, it's 00 here, so I'll have to wait a little for it to drop first. But when it comes, this is how to swap. You go to swap. That's how to actually sell your TOMARKET allocation. Firstly, the reason why I said you should swap instead of sending directly is because TOMARKET will be very unstable since it's listing on that day. So you go to this place and click on from, and you click on it and change, select Aptos network. Of course, choose Aptos network, scroll down and look for TOMA, search for the token TOMA. So as you can see, TOMA as shown. You click on it, and then here you can actually choose Aptos or USDT, but I'll prefer you use USDT. So once you click on USDT as a stable coin, of course you can just swap, put in the amount of TOMARKET you want to put in here. Let's just say 500,000. Although it has not been listed yet, so it will not show. So this is basically how it's supposed to be. Then the amount will now be displaying here and you can convert it here. But firstly, let me just use this Aptos to actually show you an example. So assuming this is the place where you put in your TOMARKET, this your TOMARKET, but based on the fact that TOMARKET hasn't been listed, I'm going to be using Aptos since I have a balance, of course, for my gas fee. So as you can see, I staked, and the amount, it came out 0.9 USDT. You click on confirm, and then it will show you the swap fee. This is the receiving address. One Aptos is this. You scroll down, so this is the swap fee. Swap fee is just 0.00001 Aptos, which is far less than $1. So let me just cancel since I'm not going to do this transaction. So that's basically how to do it. And if you convert, let's say you convert your TOMARKET to your Aptos, that's, let's say, one TOMARKET list, and then instead of converting it to USDT, you convert it to Aptos. This is what you are going to do. Just like this, you just put Aptos here and you put TOMARKET at the top. Oh, this, I don't know what's happening. So just like this. Once it's like this and you convert the way I told you to convert before, then you now go to any of your exchange, let's say Bitget. So once you open your Bitget account, you go to assets down here. Once you click on assets, that's how to sell, of course. You will see Of course, this is my TOMA allocation. So I will actually show you also how to sell on exchange. So you click on add funds. Let's just go back. You click on add funds. This add funds here. Click on it, and then you click on deposit crypto. Once you click on deposit crypto, you search for TOMA. As you can see, TOMA is here, so I'll just click on TOMA, or I will just search for Aptos. It's still the same thing, still the same wallet address. So I'll search for Aptos since I converted my TOMA to Aptos in my Bitget wallet, and I will copy this address right here. This address, I copied it, and then I will now go back to my Bitget wallet. Sorry, the Bitget wallet. So as you can see, this is my Bitget wallet Lite. So I'll click on Aptos, or better say I'll just click on send. So of course I've already converted my TOMA to Aptos in this case, so I'll click on Aptos. So once I click on Aptos, I will paste the wallet address that I want to send it to here. Paste it here. Then enter the amount of Aptos that my TOMARKET is converted to, just like this. I can enter anything here. The memo is not really important. I can just say TOMA. Or just write TOMA allocation. Whatever you want to write, it's okay. So you go to next. So after this is approved, you see confirm. Then you can confirm the transaction down here, of course, and that's all. I guess you enter your password and you click on confirm. If you use a passcode, of course you enter your passcode, and then transaction will go through. And then once it goes through, the Aptos that you sold, that you sent to your Telegram, your Bitget exchange, will appear in your Bitget. So the token will appear in your Bitget spot trading account. That's this account right here. This is a place where you can actually sell a token at its price. As you can see, I have a couple of them here. Just the ones that I sold, that a little bit of it are remaining. So you go to this place, come to trade. You come to trade, and then once you do that, you enter the maximum amount of Aptos that you want to sell. You click on change this from this to sell. So you click on the maximum amount of Aptos. As you can see, I clicked 100%, and then I will sell everything at market price. And then once that is done, I will do P2P. Of course, I will link the video where I cover P2P on Bitget in the description and in the pinned comment, and also you can check the card up there for that. If I want to sell my TOMARKET, I will click on this place and then search for TOMA USDT. They said opening soon, so I will enter the quantity of TOMARKET that I want to sell, and then I'll sell it here. As you can see, my TOMARKET allocation in my Bitget is 345,000. So that's just it. That's how simple it is. Of course, I know it's kind of stressful for most beginners, but just watch the video over again and you'll quite understand all what I did here. It's very easy. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. You can join my WhatsApp group and you can interact with me, chat, and ask me questions about things that you don't understand. If I'm free, of course I will reply you ASAP. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.